So let us continue the session. Here we are going to discuss about the Hadoop ecosystems. Actually it was developed in Apache and it is the open source, and there are two basic components, HDFS and the MapReduce. These are the major components of Hadoop. On top of that, number of components are developed. Let us say for example, see here Pig, Hive, Mahout, Uzi, R connectors, all these are developed on top of the MapReduce. So that here the basic storage is by using the HDFS and the basic processing is by using the MapReduce. Since the MapReduce is a little complex for development, so we are going with various tools developed on top of that, that is Pig, Hive and other components. Now all these components, they have to communicate and coordinate with each other. So we are having the Zookeeper, okay, and we have some other tools also available for data ingestion, meaning that to import the data from outside into the Hadoop environment. So they are the Scoop and Flume. So Scoop is for the database management and taking data from the database, and Flume is for the real-time data, to take the real-time data, that is a streaming, and HBase, it is for the column-oriented database. And on top of that there was the Ambari, actually it was retired now. So these are the various Hadoop ecosystems available. We will discuss about all of them in coming sessions. Now that is the basic basic ecosystems. Now these are the actual ecosystems for Hadoop. You can see that so many ecosystems are there. For the file management, there is the Apache HDFS, and there are so many other file systems also there. And for the NoSQL database, HBase is available. And distributed programming, there is the Hadoop MapReduce. And for the database management, we have the Hive, SQL and database management. We are having the Hive, not database actually, it is the data warehouse. And we have so many other components available. So at least we should be aware of some of the components, and we should be expertise in 3 to 4 components, so that we can be in the data science environment. So let us go with the other content. So here, which companies are using the Hadoop? Almost all companies are using Hadoop, right? So you can concentrate on Hadoop. This is from the placements point of view also. Now, what is the big data forecast? Actually, the big data forecast for the 2025, it is very high if you see that, and we can go with the various positions on top of the Hadoop, that is Hadoop application developer, Hadoop developer, big data architect, and Hadoop architect, big data developer. All these are the various positions in the organization, various organizations on top of on the Hadoop. So we are going with the prerequisites. If you want to learn this Hadoop, what are the prerequisites? That is, here the first prerequisite is the personality, not the physical personality. It is the you should have the two kinds of qualities. One is the intangible X factors and technical skills. Intangible X factors means curiosity, focus and creativity. You cannot learn them from anywhere. You have to build on your own. So along with them, you can go for the technical skills. What are the technical skills required? Here the technical skills, you may need Java, Oracle or MySQL, any of the database, and you may have the operating system, and also the distributed system will also give you some benefit of understanding of this Hadoop. So these are the basic requirements, basic prerequisites. Now let us go with one by one. So here, if you want, if you have the skills on operating system, any operating system like Unix, if you have the Unix operating system, then you can play with HDFS, Hadoop HDFS, Hadoop distributed file system. And if you are good in Java, then you can enjoy with the Hadoop MapReduce concept. you can develop the MapReduce programs, because the entire Hadoop was developed on top of Java only. It is the framework developed on top of Java. And if you are good in any database systems, like Oracle or MySQL, then you can enjoy with the Hive, Pig and Scoop, and also of course Impala. Some other component is also there, that is Impala. So these are the, if you are comfortable with the databases, you can go through all these components easily. And now for your syllabus, in your course, what are there in your course? That is, this is your syllabus. Unit 1, it is only for understanding the big data. What is big data? What are the characteristics? What are the areas of the big data? All these are discussed here in the Unit 1. And Unit 2, Hadoop distributed file system. Completely all the HDFS, the entire HDFS was covered in second unit. And the third unit, they are going to deal with the NoSQL data management. What is the NoSQL? How it is different from the relational database, and how can we handle that? What are the various components in that? All those components are discussed in the Unit 3. And Unit 4 is having the MapReduce concept. Actually, I want to swap these two units, Unit 4 and Unit 3. I want to swap them. After completion of the HDFS, let us discuss with the MapReduce, that is the better one, and then we can introduce the NoSQL, so we can continue with that. And then these are the various components available in your syllabus. And apart from this, you have to learn some more concepts also. You have to concentrate on that. We are having the Hadoop cluster in our college, so you can execute all of them and you can get the hands-on experience. So I will also going to execute all the programs on the screen here, and I will show you how to execute so that you can practice them on our cluster. And that will be in the local environment only. You have to execute in the local. So the Hadoop, definitely the Hadoop will give you the additional advantage on your pro forma or the resume, so that you have to learn it. Thank you.